Hey everyone, welcome back to Conversation to Close. I'm Sean, and today we're talking about closing the deal. You've done the hard work, found the seller, secured the property under contract, and lined up a buyer. Now it's time to wrap things up and get paid. In this episode, we'll cover the steps from signing the contract to closing, working with title companies and escrow agents, and troubleshooting common closing issues. Let's dive in. The first step is to finalize the contract with your buyer. Make sure all terms are clear, including the purchase price, assignment fee, and closing date. Once the contract is signed, you'll send it to the title company or escrow agent handling the closing. Next, the title company will conduct a title search. This ensures there are no liens, judgments, or other issues that could prevent the sale. If any issues arise, the title company will work with the seller to resolve them. Be patient, as this process can take a few days to a couple of weeks. Once the title is clear, the closing process begins. The buyer will wire their funds to the title company, and the seller will sign the final paperwork. If you're assigning the contract, you'll also receive your assignment fee at this point. Sometimes issues can pop up at the last minute, like delays in funding or a seller getting cold feet. Stay calm and work with the title company and all parties involved to find solutions. Being proactive and responsive can make a big difference in keeping the deal on track. And that's it. Once everything is finalized, you'll walk away with your assignment fee and another successful deal under your belt. Thanks for tuning in to Conversation to Close. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies. I'm Sean, and I'll see you next time, where we'll talk about scaling your wholesaling business. Until then, keep closing deals and building your business. Take care.